Hello, welcome to the Metals Daily News brought to you by Metals Update. I am Neha Kamble from the Mumbai office on 10th May 2017. China has implemented several supply-side reforms in 2017, majorly focusing on cutting overcapacity in coal and steel and decreasing financial risk by reducing housing inventory, lowering leverage, cutting corporate costs and improving weak economic links. According to the China's National Development and Reform Commission Minister, due to supply-side reforms, China's growth momentum is still intact in spite of economic slowdown and other uncertainties. Aluminium prices, which are forecasted to rally this year, will be affected by China's supply-side reforms due to increasing cost of production. Also, the industry is now experiencing pressure due to extensive use of coal, as China's 90% aluminium smelters are coal-based. Aluminium prices traded on London Metals Exchange have gained the most among all the base metals by an impressive 10% year to date. Further, gains in prices are being expected and developments in China could further boost price gains in aluminium this year. LME aluminium 3-month forward was trading marginally higher in today's trade with a gain of 0.11% at 1,874 US dollars per metric ton. Kobe Steel Limited is all set to expand its aluminium business by investing in a South Korean aluminium plant and starting a new facility in Japan. Huge aluminium demand from the automobile sector is the driving force behind the new venture of Kobe Steels. Kobe Steels is also set to sign an agreement with Novelis, an Indian aluminium producer, Hindalco Industries Limited, in which Kobe Steels will have 50% stake in Novelis' existing aluminium plant in Ulsan, South Korea. Metals Update assess Chinese origin aluminium wire scrap 6063 offers available at $1,085 per metric ton CIF Mundra. In international offers, Dubai origin copper millberry scrap is available for $4,600 per metric ton CIF JNPT. Ukrainian-based HMS-1 is being offered at $260 per metric ton CIF Chennai, while HMS-2 is being offered at $265 per metric ton CIF Chennai. Also, Ukrainian origin aluminium 6063 is available at $1,720 per metric ton CIF Chennai. In Indian offers, Egyptian origin copper old scrap is being offered at Rs 395 per kg, copper new scrap at Rs 400 per kg, and aluminium utensil scrap is being offered at Rs 126 per kg at the Kolkata port. Metals Update assessed offer for MS scrap from Mandi Gobindgarh market is Rs 21,600 per ton. Fresh scrap is being offered at Rs 24,100 per ton. Offers of MS ingots at Mandi Gobindgarh increased by 150 rupees and we are currently quoting at 28,650 rupees per ton. The offers of MS ingots at Raipur market were at 24,400 rupees per ton, while for Muzaffarnagar it was at 27,200 rupees per ton. Thank you for listening. Do join me again tomorrow for the latest updates from the metals market. Do visit metalsupdate.com for more information and do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.